All right, all right, y'all. So look, welcome back, man. If you watched the other video, congratulations, because that's gonna step your game up a lot more, a lot more. So by the way, if this is the first time watching this video, I'm SMSFX Ken. You feel me? So you want to go over there and watch the key level video because this video gonna tie into that video, okay? Um, and when you guys want to learn more bits and bits, in more detail, if you do, man, I got a Telegram, right? I'll leave all that in the description below. Um, and we can go in depth. We can do one-on-ones. Like I said, however many times a week you can do them, or however you want to do them. You can set up a one-on-one with me, and then I could walk you through it personally, right? I don't really like preaching signals and signals because a lot of the times all that don't work off of, depending on my account size, your account size, and all that. By that being said, I don't like to promise that, right? But I do send out signals, nice signals, okay? Um, and yeah, so but I basically want to teach you guys. So anyways, let's hop right into it. This video is candles, guys. Candles. And I am not a financial advisor, guys. All I am is a mentor. I can mentor and coach and help you. We can do risk management and all things like that. I'll teach you that side of percentage wise and hedging. I'll teach you all that personally in my Telegram and when we do our one-on-ones and things like that. Okay, so this video is going to be of candles, right? So now I'm about to dive right into it. Let me share the screen with you guys. So we'll share the screen right now. Boom, we got the pop up. Pop. All right, we in there. All right, cool. So you already seen the markups. You already seen the levels. So now at these key levels, right, we need to be looking for, uh, you know, what the candles are telling us, guys. So um, a lot of the candle patterns I like to use are like I like to use double bottoms. So double bottoms is a good candle pattern to form up around these areas that you set up these key levels, right? These psychological levels. So you can look for double bottoms, double tops, right? If you're looking for a sell, it will be double tops. If you're looking for a buy, it'll be double bottoms, okay? And then I can show you an example, right? Hold on, let me pull this down here. Put me down here, and then I can show you an example of double bottoms. So we can go over here, we can type in double bottoms, right? Double bottom patterns, right? See, it already pops up. As soon as you go in there, type it in. Now we can go to images, and then we can look at what a double bottom looks like on the graph, right? So they got like uh these aren't the best examples, right? But it's cool because yeah, it all still ties in, right? So we got these right here are called double bottoms, right? Double bottoms, but both of these together as a pattern is a double bottom pattern, right? Um, um, I'm gonna show you more in detail though, exactly what I mean. All right, we can show you right here, two right here, like double bottom, but like both of these together is a double bottom. So let's see, what's the technical term? Double bottom candle. Let me type in candlestick because I want you guys to see the candlesticks. Oh man, they're gonna take me to the same pictures. But anyways, man, just a candle that opens and closes at the same exact length, right? That's a double bottom, okay? Regardless, like if it like see like right here how it, price opened here, I mean closed here, opened here, right at the same level, that's a double bottom, right? They got an example of double tops, but like this is a pattern altogether. We're not learning patterns right now. We're just really trying to learn candles, right? So, anyways, right. So now we go back over to our charts, right? And like I said right here, double bottoms, right? Because this is the two candles, right? And like I said, I would like to look at them close to these levels that we marked out, right? So double bottom, right, right up in here, basically where two candles they level at around our key level area. We want to look for the buy, right? Because it's support. Let me see one up top. Let me see. All right, like right here, how price um closed here, opened here, right at the same level, right? It's considered double, double bottom candles, right? Now as a pattern whole, let me see. I had to find something for y'all, man. Really not too many. Okay, right here we got a double bottom, right? So these would be double bottom patterns, right? This is considered like maybe like a whole, okay, double bottoms, right? We got 2 hits here, right? And so we found support, okay? But that's a whole nother story. So we're gonna go into candle patterns, back to candle patterns. I gotta stay focused. All right, guys. But anyways, right? So double bottoms, that's what I like looking for. So I also like looking for like engulfing, right? So I want to show you a few engulfing patterns, right? So engulfing, um, okay, so here go engulfing right here, right? And it's not at one of our levels, but it is at one of our EMAs, right? So at the end of the day, we would like to look for one of these patterns right here, engulfing. You see how this blue candle, and this is a bullish engulfing, right? So you see how this blue candle is bigger than this red candle right here, like twice or triple the size of this red candle right here. That's an engulfing candle. Same as here. This is an engulfing candle. This candle is way like triple, quadruple the size of this candle, right? So let me see if I can see some at our key levels, at our levels, right? Um, oh, and then I can show you an example of a bearish engulfing. So right here, see this small little candle, and you see this big red candle right here. That's like twice or triple the size of this candle, engulfing. Basically, you can say this candle and this candle engulfing. Um, yeah, so bearish engulfing as well. So we look for engulfing patterns around the sell area, and then we can look for an bullish engulfing around the buy area, right? Which is right here. So you see this red candle. Uh, um, let me see. I'm going to show you. Okay, so right here. I'm sorry, right here. Right. So you got the engulfing pattern right here. Uh, engulfing pattern right here. You see this little red, and you see how big this blue one is, engulfing, right? So okay, so now we're looking for those type of patterns. So let me show you a example of an engulfing, right? So we're gonna say engulfing candlesticks, right? So we're gonna go to engulfing candlesticks. We're gonna go over here to images and then see how they got a better layout right here. All right, so you see how on the open and the close of this one, and then you see how the gap right here for the lower, and then you see the bullish candle right here, and it closes above the previous candle open right here. So the length of the bullish candle engulfs the previous red candle. Basically, the same example I told you guys. Bullish candle opens at or lower than the previous candle closed. Okay, so that's a bullish. That's a bullish one. And then let me see example. Okay, here go 2 of them right here. So here go in the bearish one. That's when the blue. That's when the blue candle or the green candle, whatever color you want, and the red one is big, way bigger than this one, right? So that is what you want. That is what you want to look for around those areas, those key level areas, right? That way you can make more money and more sense out of those areas. Okay. And that's really what I want to teach you guys. Oh, and then what else? What else? Oh, baby, like a harami. Okay. So harami pattern. So you see how you got this red candle right here on this buy level, and you have this little blue candle in front of the red candle, right? So that's not an engulfing, right? Because we already know the definition of an engulfing, and we know how engulfing look. This right here is a lady pregnant, right, with this blue baby, right? So you see this lady pregnant, this red candle, and you see this blue lady pregnant, then it always means, like, not always, but I'm not gonna say that, but it do means that price is going for a buy, right? You can see a lot of them here. Here go the here go the red lady right here, pregnant with this blue baby. Look, she went up, but she ain't go up all the way too far, but she still went up, right? So those are what you call haramis, right? Pregnant with the little baby, right? And then that's what you look for. Now we can look for one in the downtrend right here, for a bearish, um, harami. Um, is right here. So this the blue lady, and she pregnant with the red baby, and price pushed down, right? So we can go through and look for some more. Um, but those are the patterns that you try to go look at. See, like right here. So the baby, here go the lady right here. She pregnant with the baby. Yeah, it went down, but it didn't go down crazy, right? And then that is for a later video, and I'll tell you guys why. But it's because of the trend. We always want to follow the trend, guys, as you're looking for these levels. But I'm trying to find you some more examples, a little bit more examples. Um, um, but you kind of get the gist, right? So you can kind of see. Here go a bullish one right here. Here go the red lady pregnant with the blue baby, and it went up, right? So you got to look for those patterns. You got to understand that. And now I'm about to go over here and type in Harami, and then let me see. Don't mind my spelling, my Harami candles. I hope I got it right. Oh yeah, who? Okay, y'all. So I got the U. It was a U instead of an A. Ain't that bad. All right. Oh, and then it's an A right here. So I had the A and the U mixed up. Y'all know. But yeah. So I just want to show you guys that it exists, and it's not. Oh man, maybe I had it right. Y'all seen that, man? Hey, I had it right then. Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, it's okay. It's all around, man. All right, so anyways, right, so you see this is the bullish Harami. So this is the red pregnant with the blue, and this is the blue pregnant with the red, or the green pregnant with the red. All right, so we know what a Harami, a bullish Harami and a bearish Harami. So I ain't making this up. And then last but not least, because I got to speed this up so I can get to the next video for you guys. But it is a well, it's a lot more candle patterns, but I just want to give you guys duos to look up, because you got these dojis and stuff like that. And that, like I said, you guys can go Google the same thing up. Just go Google a doji, right? And then you can see what a doji is. And then it was one more I wanted. Oh, a dark cloud, right? So a dark cloud, you know, it's like always like a shade up. So like if you see blue candles, right, and then you see a red candle come, but it's like a little bit, it opened up a little bit above the blue candle, and then it's the opposite color, so it's the red candle going downwards, then those are dark shadows. I was trying to see if I can have, I thought I saw a couple of them. And then you also have evening stars and morning stars, guys. But like I said, man, if you want that full detail and like in detail so you can understand, and then I can show you and break it down to you, and you want to do that one-on-one, then you already know what you can do, man. SMSFX. Like I said, you can look it up, you can Google it, and then you can go ahead and sign up for that mentorship, and then I can break down each and every one for you guys in full detail, and not in 10 minutes, man, because it's really hard to try to cram all this knowledge in just on a 10-minute video for you guys to be able to even watch it, right? Because I don't want to make it no longer than that, because nobody's going to watch those type of videos. So like I said, man, if you want to go in full in detail, and you know, I sound like the person that can really teach you that, and you feel like I can really help you out, and I can really you're coachable and things like that, I will not give up on you as long as you don't give up on yourself. So if you're ready to come and you be consistent, you want to call me every day, you got access to me. So you might as well go ahead and hop on that right now. It's $100 for a lifetime, right? And yeah, let's get it, man. You already know what time it is. SMSFX, we out of here. Let's get it.